Hello there friends, and welcome to my channel. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Eating walnuts has many benefits for human health. Improves lipid profile and heart health, reduces inflammation, preventing cancer, and improving brain function are some of the benefits of walnuts. Walnuts are really great for the skin and body, which is why many skincare and beauty brands include walnut extract, because they're rich in nutrients that are useful for our health and beauty. Walnuts are also great for hair care, and many shampoos contain walnut extracts and walnut oil because they keep hair healthy and make them shiny. But walnuts may have adverse effects on our body if consumed in excess. In this video, I will discuss about possible walnut side effects. Be with me until the end of this video. Number 1. It can cause allergies. Walnuts can cause allergic reactions like hives and rashes, and in some cases to cause difficulty in breathing, nausea, nasal congestion, itching of the mouth, throat or the eyes. Number 2. It can cause weight gain. There is no adverse effect of walnuts on body weight and body composition, but while consuming walnuts, people need to keep in mind that though it's a wholesome food, it's high in calories, so it's advisable to have it in moderation. Number 3. It can cause digestive issues. The fiber in the nuts may cause gastrointestinal issues if consumed in excess, bloating, stomach pain, and diarrhea. If one has diarrhea and other digestive problems after eating walnuts, it may be time to avoid this nut. To avoid these side effects, prevent overeating walnuts if you already have had foods rich in fiber. Number 4. It can reduce mineral absorption. Walnuts are high in fatty acid. Fatty acid hinders the absorption of minerals like iron and zinc. Number 5. It can aggravate ulcers. Walnuts are high in fiber, and excessive intake of fiber can aggravate ulcer in susceptible individuals. To prevent all of these side effects, it's advised to consume at least 1 walnut, which equals a handful or 28 grams, to derive maximum benefits from this superfood. A handful of walnuts provide a combination of critical nutrients, including 2.5 grams of alpha-linoleic acid. Thanks for watching, and please tap the like button to support me. Also, don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.